Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. Today we're performing a gutter and downspout replacement in Sterling, Virginia. The worker up here, he's screwing the Rhino gutter guard system into place, and I'll show you what that looks like in a moment. Now, the pitching of the gutter is most important. There's a downspout here and there's a downspout here. We lifted up the gutter at the highest point in the middle, and we slowly but surely dropped the gutter down to the left and to the right. So this way the water flows to the drain. Now, I'll show you the Rhino gutter guard. This is the gutter guard system made by Rhino, and you can see it's screwed into place. And the screws that's holding in the gutter into place, they're automatically set in position up high. Back in the old days, we used to use spikes, and many roofers nailed the spikes through the gutter down too low. So if the gutter was ponding with water, the water can very easily seep through the spikes and leak inside the home. The only thing that can get through this micro mesh system is water, not even chemicals. So for the money, I highly recommend this product. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in gutter and downspout replacement, roof replacement, and roof repair in Sterling and all areas in Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free.